Hi, I'm Angelina. I wanted to show you another way of using laminating film that you probably found on a little art drop that I left somewhere. So that's the material that's wrapping it, as I call the wrapper. So another way I use it is to make stencils. In this case, I have a stencil and a mask. I cut it out of the material. The material is really, really good. This holds up very well. This stencil and mask is about 4 years old. And it has a layer of paint on it, and it's still really, really good shape. If you're wondering about cutting it, it's very easy to cut with a pair of scissors and a box knife. I'm trying to see if I have a box knife around, but I don't. But that's how I got this out of here. So you can cut this very easily and make it a stencil with any kind of pattern that you choose. So I hope you reuse that material if you went ahead and decided to frame out your frame. Oh, hi Simon, who just brought me a gift. I gotta go. See ya.